This model kit review is of the Bugatti Chiron, and it is a 1/24 scale model and by Maisto. This is a simple model kit, and it's got metal parts, and that's the car there. Let's have a look on the other side. Shows you some of the features as well as the parts listings. It does not require glue or paint. So this is a fairly simple model kit to build. Let's have a look inside. So we've got a looks like a choice of wheel options here. Some silver or chrome. These are the chrome ones, and those are the silver ones. Not a whole lot of difference. Guess you could paint them if you wanted to. Got some parts there, instructions. Here's our chassis. So the chassis has the axles already mounted, and there's the screws. Not sure, I guess it's for mounting. And here is our cockpit. And here is our main body. And we've also got a screwdriver here. Because the body usually gets screwed together, or parts get screwed together. So let's have a look at our body here. There's the classic Bugatti shape in the front of their emblem. There's the Chiron lights. We do have doors that open, and these come already mounted. The body is metal, quite firm and solid, and the paint job is actually quite nice. It's that two-tone Bugatti color with the big C there for the Chiron. Okay, we're going to have a look at this. These are all of our parts. Comes. Okay, so here is our engine bay, and it's got some nice finishing there. You can see the Bugatti emblem there. Here is our dashboard, instrument panel to look to see. There's the dashboard. We're going to have to get our instrument panel. There'll be a sticker on there. Here is our rear with the lights. This is also part of the back. Here we have the insides of the doors, all nicely painted. Here is our windshield with our windshield wiper on there. We have 4 tires. They are made out of soft vinyl. Here we have our rear over here, and front. You can see the difference in width there. And that looks like probably part of our exhaust. Here we have our chairs with unfortunately no back. Here's our steering wheel. There's the Bugatti front with the emblem. That's quite nice detail there. This is the inside of the C, where the air ducts usually are. And there's our license plate and instrument panel. And then we have parts for our mirrors. And we've got our rear view mirror there, which doesn't have the mirror part on it. Here we have a part for the inside of the cockpit. Not really sure what that means. That's a stick shift. Here are our side mirrors, and then we have 2 screws. Let's have a look at our instructions here. So first of all, we're going to put our inside of the door panels and side mirrors on. Then we'll put our windshield and rear view mirror and our tail lights. Flip the car over. Actually, that looks like that's for the this part's actually for the front. And our Bugatti decorations go on the front there, the grille, and put our vents in. We build the cockpit with the engine bay and seats, our dashboard with all those little parts going on there. Then we've got our wheels and tires. We're mounting the cockpit and engine on the chassis, and instrument panel inside the main body of the body, and the body is then mounted with the screws. So nice quick easy kit to build.